Yes. Halipay. Si Pipino.
Pipino.
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
Pipino.
Pipino.
Pipimo. Yummy. Nagitaguan. Saan na, Bi? Si cucumber. Cucumber. Mm. Kalipay. Di payag di ay. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Ah. Ah, di Canada. Kagara. Wala. Tuto. Kaduha ka kamot.
Neither yet to fall, nor since thou hast spoken unto thy servant, but I'm slow of speech, and of a slow tongue. And the Lord said unto
Same
him,
ram na, Bi.
who had made
Pili-pili.
man's mouth,
No playing,
or who
ha?
made the dumb, or deaf, or
Eat
the
lang.
seeing, or the blind? Have not I the Lord? Now therefore, go, and I will be with thy mouth, and teach thee what thou shalt say. And he said, Oh my Lord, send I take thee by the hand of him whom thou wilt send. And the anger of the Lord was kindled against Moses, and he said, Is not Aaron the Levite thy brother? I know that he can speak well. And
Wow.
also, behold, he cometh forth to meet thee. And when he seeth thee, he will be glad in his heart. And thou shalt speak unto him, and put words in his mouth. And I will be with thy mouth, and with his mouth, and will teach you what ye shall say. And he shall be thy spokesman unto the people. And he shall be, even he shall be to thee instead of a mouth. Thou shalt be to him instead of God. Thou shalt take this rod